Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to take a look at how you can develop using HTTPS in BlackSheep. For this what you have to use is the tool called mkcert. You can install it on macOS with Homebrew, or if you have a different platform you will find the tutorial for this. So as for the application, let's call this HTTPS example.py, and here what we are going to do is to import from BlackSheep the application and the get function. We create our app with the application, and we create our context root, which is going to be our home, and technically we will just return that HTTPS is working. Now let's save it and go to the other window. So here what we have to do is to use the mkcert and -- install. Let's give it the root password, and yeah, the local CA is now installed in the system trustzor, and now we can use the mkcert localhost 127.0.0.1 and the ::1. So this is the loopback for IPv4 and IPv6, and it created a certificate valid for the following names. And now you can see that here are the keys. So in order to run our application uvcorn, we can use the HTTPS example :app. We specify the port, which is going to be, I don't know, 44555, and the SSL, let's make it a bit bigger. SSL key file is equal to /localhost +2.pem. But we are supposed to have we have it, and we have the SSL cert file, which is going to be localhost and .pem, and this is supposed to be the key file. So here we have -key .pem. So SSL key file, that's one word. Okay, so now the application is running. Let's create a new Safari window and navigate to a different desktop, and now we are supposed to use this URL. Let me just copy it and then paste it, and as you can see, now this connection is using an encryption. And technically this is how you can add HTTPS to your BlackSheep application. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.